My name's Heron. I work for a Chinese company called Huawei Technologies. Huawei are a very big Chinese telecommunications firm, and they basically produce everything in the telecommunications field, from dongles and mobile phone handsets right through all the infrastructure that deals with mobile telecoms through to data centers that process all the data. Well, I work for a particular division or if you almost outpost of Huawei. Huawei is located in the UK in Reading. That's where the head offices are. We're a small unit located in Banbury, and our role is to do security evaluations of all the Huawei products that go into the critical national infrastructure. Huawei supply equipment to all the big telecoms providers in the UK: BT, EE, Vodafone, all of them. And if you like, the agreement with the UK government for Huawei to be able to supply that equipment is, part of the agreement is that security evaluations on the equipment will take place before the equipment goes into the critical national infrastructure. I think particularly somebody looking to be employed at the Huawei Cybersecurity Evaluation Centre, which is the unit in Banbury that I come from. We're looking for people with ideally a range of backgrounds, and I say ideally. Firstly, a good knowledge of software, because a lot of the security evaluations that we do is around software. Some of these products are huge. They have millions of lines of code, often written in languages such as C and C++. In an ideal world, we'd also like them to have a rich range of security analysis skills, penetration testing, source code analysis, static code analysis, and we'd also like them to come in with telecommunication skills. And I only mention all that because actually that mythical thing I've just described is really hard to find and barely exists. So from our point of view, the way that we work is we look for that first skill set. Knowledge of software development, and by inference, also knowledge of what makes bad poor programming practice. Not only how to program well, but what makes poor programming practice and leads to security vulnerabilities. When it comes to the security analysis techniques and skills, and when it comes to the telecommunications knowledge, we get guys in and we train them up in those sides. We reckon we can train those sides. We don't think we can train good programmers. We think they're kind of there. So that's the core skill that we're looking for. From our perspective, the good things about working at the Huawei Cybersecurity Evaluation Centre, particularly for people coming in either as new graduates or with some experience, is it's very technically involved. It's very much hands-on. It very much is building up your knowledge of programming, security and telecoms. So there's a rich practical use of a wide set of technical skill sets. And there's something about the way that we operate. Although we're driven by timescale, so we have evaluations to do. So it comes in at the start, we start an evaluation and there's an end point. The bit in the middle is very, if you like, fluid. It's almost like a research environment. For anybody that's knowledgeable about agile programming, the way that our team leader describes it is it kind of takes the scrum part of that agile programming, and that's how it starts. The sets of scrums, people get together, they come up with ideas, and then they go away and research vulnerabilities and exploits to those vulnerabilities. So anybody who's looking to really, or is coming in with a fairly good technical skill set, wants to really develop and employ that technical skill set in a wide range of things in an environment that's kind of a mix of research and development. That's what CSEC's like.